Square bands continue to be my favorite all-time accessory for wigs. Not only are they functional, they are very fashionable, and I always look forward to their new designs. Julie at Square Bands sent me these 3 colors for you to look at today. These are newer colors in their line, and they scream summer to me. And today what I want to do is I want to take them out and show you the new colors. These are clear colors, so they're not solid. You can see through them, they're opaque. And I'm going to try them on with a couple of different wig colors for you. So again, these are the crystal clear bands in some really cool electric neon colors. And so there are 3 of them here. So the first one is the ice blue. Oh my gosh, how I love these. If you grew up in the 80s, you had to have yourself some neon or some electric colors. You can see it's absolutely clear. And then we have hot pink. Wow. That one just looks beautiful, doesn't it? It looks like a jewel tone. But again, it's clear. So this one here is the lime green. And doesn't that just look like somebody plugged it into the light socket? I can remember as a kid having a light bright set with those little clear pegs and the light came through. This is what this reminds me of. They all look like they're absolutely glowing. So square bands, functional and fashionable. So the function of the square band, you've heard me talk about this before probably, but it's a hinged band, kind of like sunglasses arms. You can fold them up. They're easy to store and transport. They're also easy to expand and wear. You can take them with you wherever you go, just like sunglasses. But they're better in terms of function. So if you're trying to hold up your hair with sunglasses, it doesn't work very well sometimes, does it? These will keep the hair away from the face while you do task work or try to just cool down. My favorite accessory for wigs because they're at the ready. They have little teeth, rubberized teeth on the inside of the band, and that keeps it secure. And that's something that is really important when we wear wigs. It's very gentle on wigs, so it keeps it secure. It doesn't move around and cause a lot of friction, wear, tear, and it doesn't tangle or snag on your wigs. I love that. And they come in so many colors. I don't know how many designs there are, but they're always coming out with new ones. You'll find solids, you'll find prints. I love this little checkerboard print, which goes with anything. And then my favorite band of all time, I think, is this paisley. I wear a lot of pink, a lot of white. Love, love, love this band. And I even have a square band named after me. This is the TAZS band. It's a giraffe print. Now, all of these are available at www.squarebands.com. All of those links are below, and it's going to look beautiful for the summertime, isn't it? So on these curly bobs, I like to just situate the arms behind the ears and push straight down and then just sort of prop up the hair behind the square bands. That gives you a little bit of lift on top. It's cute. And it's a little bit of bling for the hair. Here is the hot pink. You can pull out a little hair at the hairline. You can fluff it up around the band. This just gives you some marvelous volume. A fun beach look, isn't it? And I love that blue. It really stands out against the color of hair, doesn't it? Really beautiful. All right, let's try it with a brunette. I see a brunette back here. I'll grab it and we'll take a look at these colors on a brunette color. I'm back wearing Gabor's Own the Room. I have a full review out there on this style in the color, I think it's GF924SS. Shaded Iced Cafe Latte, I want to say. If I'm wrong, I'll put it in text here. But it's a beautiful brunette, isn't it? A gorgeous, cool brunette with some blonde highlights. Yes, it does. Gorgeous. I love it. I love it. I really love this lime green against a brunette. Okay, let's try the blue, the ice blue. That one is pretty as well. It doesn't stand out quite as much, but you just get a hint of that ice blue in there. That is beautiful. I love these on the brunettes. Oh, wow. Yeah, I almost love these against the brunette more than the blondes, or just as much, because they stand out. I wasn't sure, but even though they're clear, they do give you a pop of color. Gorgeous. Okay, now I need to find a red shade to show these against. I found a red to show you. This is Beltress's Alexandria in the color Sumptuous Strawberry, which is a beautiful red blend. It's more on the warm side with some of the coppery notes to it. So let's check out the bands with this beautiful red. Okay, the blue one here. All right, we can definitely see where the blue one does stand out against the color. All right, this is the hot pink. And you know, with the red, it kind of takes on a little bit of an orangey hue, doesn't it? Because it's clear and some of the hair color is reflecting through. Cute, cute, cute. Isn't it amazing how different they look against the different hair colors? All right, so finally, let's check out the lime green. Ooh, I can really see that lime green against the red. Oh, it just looks like it's plugged in, doesn't it? Almost like one of those glow sticks. Love it. This is my favorite one on the red. So that was a fun little experiment with the different hair colors, wasn't it? Hopefully it'll help you decide which one you want, or if you want all three, because I think they would go with any, literally any hair color. They're just gonna look a little bit different on each. Perfect for summer. So what do you think of these new square bands colors? I love them, don't you? So below the video, I'll put a direct product link for all the wig styles that I featured today, as well as the square bands links, so you can check out these new crystal clear colors that scream summer. We'll see you soon right here on TAZ's Wig Closet.